What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're going to be talking about distribution of video, long distance video distribution. And in particular, we got the binary, the B660 EXT 4x4x4 100AS. So this is actually going to pass the full 4K 60 Hz 4x4x4 color spectrum at very long distances. This is a constant struggle, especially for custom integration, which you guys know we do tons of custom integration projects where we're doing matrices and we're sending signals like 300 feet across the house. Well, this is a great product for that. Basically, the way that it works is you have Ethernet cable in between, like a Cat 6, Cat 7, and then on each end you have shorty HDMI cables. I'm going to be unboxing this product, showing you what's inside the receiver and the transmitter, and kind of showing you how it works. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you would like to purchase, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed on everything we sell. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this product and show you guys what's inside. Snap AV is the main corporation that makes binary, and they actually sent this product to me before it came out. It's the latest and greatest. It's gonna pass through everything that you need. So it's supporting 4K at 60 Hz, 4x4x4, the full HDR, 18 gigabit per second. You got 4K up to 70 meters. And then after that, it goes to 1080p up to 100 meters. So it's not, it depends on the length of the cable. And you always want to use the higher quality Cat cable in between the transmitter and the receiver. So if possible, at least put in a nice quality shielded Cat 6 cable. And the reason I say shielded is because these Baluns can pick up things in your wall. You know, like you don't know if they ran it next to a power cable or if there's a microwave or a router or something that could interfere with it. So it's always better to put in shielded cable. And if you're hiring Dream Media's teams, our preferred installer network, to do your wiring, they'll make sure to put that high quality cabling in for you. This also, it has bidirectional IR, RS-232, and dual Ethernet pass-through. Has an HDMI loop with independent downscaling, and then optical audio return and ARC. This is huge because a lot of the time the HDMI audio return channel doesn't pass on these super long runs. So this can actually get audio return back to your amplifier. Say you want to utilize like the smart features within your TV, like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, stuff like that. Well, it can route that audio out of the TV back to your AVR so that you can then hear it through your surround sound speakers or distributed audio or whatever. So that's an important feature. Not a lot of these Baluns that will support the full 4x4x4 actually have audio return as well. Got the installation manual when you open it up. Oh wow, this thing is huge in comparison to the old one, but it's very slim. Look at that. Interesting. We have used thousands of these over the years. Now, I mean, some really high-end homes, we're wiring it with fiber, which is a whole nother story. But if you're still doing Cat cabling, which 99% of the people are, on the even $1 million homes, still putting in Cat cabling, this is the solution for you. And it's affordable. I want to say the retail cost is $8.99 on this guy. But like I said, it's not officially out, so it may fluctuate a little bit. Right here, you have the transmitter, and then you have the receiver. Two separate units. So the transmitter would go like at your AVR, and it would transmit the signal to your television, say that's like on the other end of the home. And in between, you're going to have Ethernet that plugs in right here. And you can actually do HD-based T as well, which is a really cool display where you could take like multiple different displays and combine them into one with like different TVs. We use it a lot on commercial applications. You got a power cable. What's really cool with these newer generation ones, and it looks like this one's the same way, is you only need power on one side. So like say you have a rack where everything's stacked, you can put your power cable on that side, and then since this thing is so slim, you can just take the receiving end and slip it right behind the TV. Or they actually include these little rack ears so you can bolt it to the wall behind the TV, and then just have a shorty little HDMI cable to go from the receiver to the television. And if you are smart, you'll put it on the audio return channel and see if it'll actually pass through HDMI. If not, then like I was stating earlier, this actually has an optical audio return, which is really valuable. So here's all the rack ears. Comes with little feet if you just want to set it on the desktop, and then all the screws and everything needed. So pretty simple, guys. Great solution. I can't tell you how many people fail on HDR on these long distance runs. I really hope that this helps you guys out in making that buying decision. Again, nationwide free shipping, lowest price guaranteed.